Hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. So this second part of the tutorial. So in this part, I'll be talking about how to read data from your CSV file, CSV is comma separated values. So more like you want to read data from your Excel sheet or a json file. Okay, so let's get on it. So the first step is how um do I upload? So you have to upload the data. So you see attach data here, you see upload files. So the number of options, you can upload the file directly, you can upload the folder, you can upload from a URL. So maybe you're getting data from kaggle.com, you can upload the URL. So already the CSV file here, the food coded.csv. So you can get this. I'm going to drop a link in the description to for you to download this CSV. So the first step is I still have my sheet from last tutorial. So I have Pandas installed. So the first step here is we have a function called pd.read. So this is going to display the first five. Um, so you should assign this to a variable df. So df.head. So when you run this, you're going to display the top five values for the data frame you have loaded, and you want to get more, you can specify here. So if I want the first top 10, so you say that we have 0 to 9, so that's the top 10 values. So therefore.add is for reading the top values, and you want to read the last five values. So you can do df.tail when you run. So consider 120 to 124. So that's the last five values, and any number you want. So let's say I want the last 15 values. I run. So we get that. So that's loaded the last value. Okay, so we also have another method called df.info. So it's going to give you an information about this particular data. So it's showing us all the columns, the count and data type of each of these column. So that was the info does. So if you want to get, so when you have a data set and you want to get, okay, I want to know what's information, how many columns do I have and everything. So yeah, what's the name of the columns that I have? Use this. Then if I just need just the names of the columns, so we have df.column. So almost the same information with the df.info. Okay, so let's look at if I want to select data. How do I select data? So selecting, let me just create a new cell for this. So I want to select data. So but here I wrote df. So let's say I want to select okay. So coming back to this cell. So let's say I want to okay look at the column. So let's want to select all the data in the column GPA, and I want to look through what do I have there. So you come back here and say GPA and run. Okay, so these are all the values from the column GPA. Yeah, so these are all the values here from the column GPA. So anytime you have a need to select values from a column, you can use this to select that. And if I want to know the length of the whole data frame, so I just do length.df. So it's telling me that there are 125 rows in this particular data frame. And also if I want to select data for any row. So let me specify here. So this is what selecting data in a column. So I want to select data for a row for a row. So for this, I'm going to do df dot lock. So still coming back here, what is the index of my row? It's just just number 0 and like that. So I can pick the index of. So for this lock, I can pick, if I say what are the values on row 100. So we see that for each of the columns, these are the values, corresponding values for my row 100. So this is just basically when you're reading a CSV and you want to, so you can just assign this to a variable. So for example, x is equal to this and y is equal to this, and I can perform any other further analysis that I want to perform on that data. But I can just load. So this is just to tell you how to load selected data in a column and select data in a row. Okay, so in the next part of this tutorial, we're going to be looking at data wrangling and data cleaning. And please kindly subscribe if you have enjoyed this series so far.